Today marks not only just a celebration of academic milestones of our kindergarten and grade 6 graduates, but also a moment of gratitude and joy to the realization of a long-awaited dream, the completion of our Covered Pathway project, and the procurement of a printer for the convenience and efficiency of our faculty and staff, and securing the 32-inch Smart TV for our kindergarten. With humble hearts and overwhelming gratitude, we thank the local government unit of Labaso under the leadership of our ever-supportive Honorable Mayor Jeff Kimbo for providing the majority of the construction materials. Without your generosity and commitment to education, this project would not have been possible. To Mr. Junior Labot and Mr. and Mrs. Mario Galon, thank you for the sand and gravel that laid the foundation of this structure. To Mr. Ernie Rodriguez and Mr. and Mrs. Harold Comboy, we extend our gratitude for the additional construction materials that fill in the gaps and kept the work going. To our dear parents, your 200 contributions, though small in amount, were huge in impact. Your shared sacrifice felt more than a pathway. It built a stronger community of support. To all our cash donors, both inside and outside the school, thank you for believing in this vision and offering your help to make it real. To our dedicated faculty and staff, thank you for the unwavering support, tireless effort, and cooperation you poured into this endeavor. This was truly a team effort. Special thanks to Mr. Fermin Pepe Alumpay for your initiative and persistence in following up the LGU, ensuring the release of materials in a timely manner. To my better half, Bernie Roy Amaya Jr., thank you for your unwavering support, tireless follow-ups, and personal appeals to Honorable Mayor Jeff Kimbo, ensure the timely release of materials, allowing us to complete the project before the school year ended. Your eagerness to seek out friends for additional funding made the acquisition of the office printer possible, and your sincere interest in securing a 32-inch Smart TV for our kindergarten shows your deep care for our learners and their future. You are the silent force behind the success of this endeavor. To our visionary school administrator, Reverend Peter Paul Abaya, your hands-on leadership from the first day of construction to its final day kept us inspired and on track. You are the backbone of this project's success. And above all, to our Almighty Father, we give all the glory and praise. It is through His grace